Dear students, good morning. Welcome to Indian History Test Discussion Series. In this series, I will explain each and every topic through the MCQs or objective questions. Yes, let us see the first question. Which among the following is are correct? Which among the following is are correct? So, what is the correct statement out of 3? So, first of all, we come to know the first topic is prehistoric cultures. These questions from the prehistoric cultures. Let us know the meaning of the prehistoric culture or cultures. Culture is nothing but lifestyle. Lifestyle of the prehistoric people. What is the meaning of prehistory? Prehistory means time period where there was no written records. Where there was no written records. Prehistory is also called as Stone Age. Simply, it is called as Stone Age. So, you can call it as the lifestyle of the Stone Age people. The lifestyle of the Stone Age people. Yes, come to the point. So, the first statement, the word history derived from the Greek word historia. So, the history word derived from the Greek word historia. This is a right statement. Let's come to the point. Historia is a Greek word. You know very well, many of the European words comes from either Greek or Latin. Greek or Latin. Yes. Historia means to inquire, observe or research, and those are the meanings of the historia. And come to the point, history. History means history studies the past through the written records. History studies the past through the written records. Yeah. When history was started, history started with the appearance of human beings on this earth. When it was taken place around 2.6 million years ago. 2.6 million years ago in East Africa. After this, what happened? According to the available information, so the humans moving from East Africa to all other continents except Antarctica. It may be, I think that is very cold area. So that is the reason maybe. Yes, come to the point. So when Indian history was started 1.4 million years ago. 1.4 million years ago, or you can call it as 14 lakhs years ago. So the artifacts available from Bori caves in Maharashtra. Bori caves in Maharashtra. Yes. So this is the right statement. And let's come to the second statement. The history's book was written by Herodotus. Herodotus was the father of history. Herodotus, he belongs to 5th century BC. 5th century BC in Greece. He belongs to Greece around 500 BC. 5th century, or you can call it as 500 BC. And he wrote the history's book. That is the right statement. History's book. In this book, he had given lot of information, particularly dietary habits of Indian people. Indian people are, some of them are vegetarians and some of them are non-vegetarians and all. Yes. And let's come to the third statement. Herodotus is the first foreigner to write about India. Yes, this is the right statement. Herodotus was the first foreigner to write about India. And see, the question is, which among the following is are correct? What is the correct statement? So the first statement is right, second statement is right, and third statement is right. What is your answer? Your answer is D, all. Let's move to the second question. Which among the following is are wrong? The wrong statement. Based on the script, ancient Indian history is divided into prehistory, proto-history and history. Yes, come to the point. You have to know one thing. And Indian history, I told you, according to the available information, Indian history started from the 1.4 million years ago because of the artifacts available from Bori caves belongs to the 1.4 million years ago. And come to the point, Indian history is divided into ancient Indian history, medieval Indian history and modern Indian history. And James Mill, he was a Scottish historian, so he wrote The History of British India. The History of British India. In this book he had mentioned the Indian history divided into ancient, medieval and modern based on the political domination and religious domination in that period. Yes. And once again this ancient Indian history divided into three parts, that is prehistory, proto-history and history based on the script. And you know very well, so the time period where there was no written records is called as prehistory. The time period where there was, it means the script was there and we are unable to read, that period is called as proto-history. And what is history? Script is there and we are able to read, that is called as history. And you know, Indian history, the first topic belongs to prehistoric cultures. The name itself prehistoric cultures. Because of that time period there was no written records. It's almost around 1.4 million years ago to 3000 BC. 3000 BC approximately. As coming to the second topic, that is Indus Valley civilization, that is around, it started from 3000 BC, that is proto-history. Because of Indus Valley people had the script, that is Boustrow pattern script. It starts from right to left, left to right to left and left to right. Yes, so it is called as proto-history. Indus Valley civilization is also called as proto-history. And whereas coming to the third topic in the Indian history, that is Vedic period, or you can call it as Aryan civilization. Yes, so we have bundle of literature which was available from the this period, particularly Vedic period, or you can call it as Aryan civilization period. So we can say that based on the script, our real history started with the Vedic period. Yes. Come to the point. The first statement, based on the script, ancient Indian history is divided into prehistory, proto-history and history. This is the right statement. Based on the script. Prehistory is the period of time where there was no script. Yes, you know very well. This is the right statement. Prehistory is the period of time where there was no script. No script. And Indology is a subject which studies Indian history and culture. And Indology, yes, is a subject which studies Indian history and culture. And I don't know whether you are aware or not, we have so many Indologies, and you know very well the man who, Charles Wilkins, and German Indologist Max Muller, and so many of them. And even today some European universities offer Indology. Indology is a subject. It consists of both Indian history and culture. Yes, this is also right statement. And all the three statements are right. But the question demands wrong statement. There is no wrong statement. So your answer is D, none. Yes. Let's move to the third question. Yes. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. The study of inscriptions is called paleography. Ancient writings on inscriptions are called epigraphy. The branch of archaeology which studies coins is called numismatics. And come to the point, and you know very well, history is a discipline which studies the past. And same like archaeology is a discipline which studies also past. Their ends are same, they studies the past, but the means are different. History studies the past through the written records, but whereas archaeology studies the past through the material remains, inscriptions, coins and monuments Yes, through this archaeology studies the past. Material remains means in that period people used parts, cloths, weapons, tools. Based on this, so the archaeologists founded the time period and their culture. And come to the point, so inscriptions. And what is inscription? Written record on hard surface is called as inscription. Written record on hard surface is called as inscription. Study of the inscriptions are called as epigraphy. And let's come to the coins. And study of the coins is called as numismatics. Yes, and study of the monuments like Taj Mahal based on that, and Ramappa temple, like this. And so study of the monuments, and they founded some culture, religion, or time period and all. Let's come to the first statement. The study of inscriptions is called as paleography. This is wrong. The study of inscriptions is called as epigraphy. The first statement is wrong. Ancient writings on inscriptions are called as epigraphy. This is wrong. Ancient writings on inscriptions are called as paleography. This is also wrong statement. And let's come to the third statement. The branch of archaeology which studies coins is called as numismatics. Yes, this is right statement. So study of coins is called as numismatics. That's the right statement. And the first statement and second statement are wrong, but whereas third statement is right. And come to the what question demands. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? The first and second are incorrect. So your answer is A, 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 only incorrect. Yes. And let's move to the fourth question. Which among the following is are correct? Sir William Jones translated Abhijnana Sakuntalam into English. Sir William Jones, he was a British Indologist. Charles Wilkins translated Bhagavad Gita into English. Charles Wilkins also British Indologist. Max Muller translated Rigveda into English. Max Muller, he was a German Indologist. You know the meaning of Indologist. So who studies Indian history plus culture. Yes, let's come to the correct statement. Sir William Jones translated Abhijnana Sakuntalam into English. Abhijnana Sakuntalam, which was written by Kalidasa around 5th century, you know very well, 5th century AD, around, yes, in Sanskrit language. Actually, Kalidasa, he wrote 3 dramas and 4 kavyas. Let's come to the 3 dramas. Abhijnana Sakuntalam, Malavikagnimitram, Vikramaurya. All 3 are dramas of Kalidasa, and out of 3 dramas, this Abhijnana Sakuntalam was translated by Sir William Jones into English. That is a right statement. Right. And come to the point, Sir William Jones, he started Asiatic Society of Bengal in 1784. And through this Asiatic Society of Bengal, he preserved and he collected the old objects. Yes. And let's move to the second statement. Charles Wilkins translated Bhagavad Gita into English. And you know very well, Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata, and it belongs to the 6th Parva of Mahabharata. You can call it as Bhishma Parva. Yes. And this was also in Sanskrit language, and which was translated into English by Charles Wilkins. This is also a right statement. And come to the Max Muller. Max Muller translated Rigveda into English. And you know very well, the earliest text in India, Rigveda. And this is also in Sanskrit language, you know very well, which was translated into English by Max Muller. He was a German Indologist. He was not only a German Indologist, he was also philologist. Philology means study of languages. Based on philology, he said that German Indologist Max Muller, he said that Indus Valley people were replaced by the Aryans. So that Asian migrated theory said by the Max Muller. Yes, let's come to the correct statement. The first statement is right, second statement is right, and third statement is right. All the three statements, and your answer is C. All. Yes. Let's move to the fifth question. Yes. Regarding prehistoric cultures, which among the following periods is called the microlithic period? So micro means small, lithic means stone. So the question is, which among the following one is small stone period? Yes. Let's come to the point here. Option A, Paleolithic period. Option B, Mesolithic period. Option C, Neolithic period. And option D, Chalcolithic period. Come to the point. So I told you already, Indian history divided into ancient, medieval and modern. And this is all about based on the political and religious domination in that period. And anyway, come to the point, ancient India divided into prehistory, proto-history and history. And this is based on the script. But once again, prehistory is divided into Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Neolithic period and Chalcolithic period. Yes. And come to the point, Paleolithic, the word belongs to the Greek. It's a Greek word. Paleo means old, lithic means stone, old stone age or old stone period. Whereas coming to the meso means middle, lithic means stone, middle stone age, or you can call as middle stone period or middle stone age. Neo means, you know very well, you might have heard about many times in the newspaper. Neo means new lithic, new stone period or new stone age. Chalco means copper, lithic means stone, copper plus stone period, copper plus stone age, Chalcolithic. Yes, and these four belongs to the prehistoric culture, and which among the following one is also called as microlithic period. Actually, this division was taken place based on the shape, size of tools which was used by the prehistoric people. That is the first one. And second one, the climatic conditions. These two are the regions. So Paleolithic people, actually they used the big stone tools. And whereas coming to the Mesolithic people, they used the small stone tools. But these stone tools were founded in Vindhya region by archaeologist Carlyle. Vindhya region. Small stone tools, it's like almost 8 centimeters like. And Neolithic period, the Neolithic people, they used the sharp stone tools. And Chalcolithic people, you know very well, they used copper plus stone. They mixed copper plus stone. Some of them are copper, some of them are stone. Copper plus stone tools. Yes. And come to the point, Paleolithic period, the age is called as Pleistocene. Pleistocene means ice age. And all the oceans were covered by the ice. So that the people moving East Africa to all other continents except Antarctica. Yes, in that time, Pleistocene age. And when the Paleolithic period, when the Pleistocene was ended, so Holocene was started. Holocene means the cool conditions were replaced by the warm conditions. So from that onwards, Mesolithic period was started. Yes, and the last stage of Paleolithic period, Holocene was started, and it was being continued in the time of Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. Yes. And anyway, now come to the point, microlithic tools, small stone tools were used by the Mesolithic man. Your answer is B. That is the right statement. Thank you. My name is Srinivas. from Glorious IAS Academy.